Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Um, Today we'll be looking at Steelray Project Analyzer. So if you're struggling with project schedule management and you want to ensure your projects are on track and compliant with industry standards, in this video we're going to explore Steelray Project Analyzer, a powerful tool that helps project managers and schedulers analyze and improve their project schedule. You know, so this software could actually be used for Microsoft Project File as well as Primavera. So let's jump into this video as we look at as we have an overview of Steelray Project Analyzer. So Steelray, sorry. So Steelray Project Analyzer is a project schedule analysis and reporting tool that evaluate a project schedule against best practices and industry standards. It identifies errors, unrealistic logic, and scheduling flaws, providing actionable insight to improve project outcomes. So here are some of the key features of Steelray Project Analyzer, which include uh, schedule quality analysis, and we have built-in compliance check, and we have automated report and trend analysis to monitor schedule quality over time, and we have cross platform compatibility with software such as Primavera and Microsoft Project. So these features help project managers and schedulers ensure that their projects are on track, compliant, and well managed. We'll be looking at the common use cases. So Steelray Project Analyzer can be used in various scenarios such as project baseline review, end value management, and risk mitigation through early issue detection, and for client reporting with schedule quality metrics. And also, who uses this software? We have government contractors, large infrastructure project teams, construction project managers, PMOs, and consultants conducting schedule audits. And the benefits of this software are, it's as you can see on my slide, it automates manual schedule reviews, it reduces compliance risks and rework, it improves confidence in schedule accuracy, and it supports contract wins with demonstrable schedule quality. So with this we will just these are just an overview of what this software can do, and we're just going to look at what this software can do by analyzing a project schedule that I was given to check if it is compliant with industry standards, which you're just going to see how I'm going to analyze it quickly. And then when you analyze with this software, you can now carry out your corrections. Project schedule that was shared to me was a Microsoft project schedule. So we'll be looking at how we are going to check if this schedule, if it meets with industry standards. As you can see, this is actually my project Steelray Project Analyzer, as you can see. So what I need to do first is to import the drawing. I'm going to import the project schedule. So first of all, I just click on add project, and I'm going to impute Microsoft project. So I will just have to look for the software, which should be around here. This is the schedule that I was given. So I'm just going to click on this. You could decide to use your project filter if you want to. You could also decide to input your level of effort tax. As a project filter, you can just click on it and then you go down to select it. If it's all tax, we're still waiting. It's still loading project filter. All right, so you could decide to put for all tax, you could put for active tax, you could decide to put for none, and all of that. So you might be wondering, what exactly is the global pre-filter, level of effort tax? As you can see, a global pre-filter is a feature that allows you to apply filters to your entire project schedule before analyzing or reporting it. The purpose of this filter is to exclude or include specific tasks, resources, or dates from the analysis or reporting processes. So it could be used to exclude summary tasks or milestones from analysis, focus on specific phases or tasks within a project, or to apply consistent filtering rules across multiple projects. And as you can see, the level of effort tasks here are activities that requires a consistent level of effort or resources over a specific period. So this filter also, as you can see here, it could allow you to include any of this, all tasks, backlog, completed milestones, and all of that. All right, so we can just decide to impute any of this. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to impute non-global pre-filter. We're also going to put level of tax are not identified in this file. So if you don't see the scorecard over here, all you just need to do is to click on the report here and select this. So when you select this, you can now click on add over here. So we just give it some few minutes for it to load. So this is what you're going to do. Data quality, we're now going to impute let's say tax with missing WBS, tax without assigned resources, baseline vertical schedule integration error, actual stats. These are actually the stuff that you could, if you want to analyze. So actual finish before actual starts. Let's just click one of this, and I believe this should have error. It will not be compliant. Project has status date. Project has status date. Let's leave that. Tax missing baseline dates. Let's leave that. So let's go to baseline. Best practices, and we're just going to put summary tax with successors, summary tax with predecessors, and then critical parts quality. Let's just select this and this, and let's look at the performance. Anyway, I believe that the person might not have figure this out, so there's no need of me checking it, you know. So when you're done with this, all you just need to do is to add criteria, and this is it. You can now select it, and we're going to select this also. So you have to ensure that you select this and this, right? This and this. But if you don't want a scorecard, you can change it to another one. So the output is, you can decide to show in application, you could decide to show in PowerPoint, or any of this. So I could actually give you a report in Excel and all of this, right? So now we can now click on analyze, and we just wait for a while, and it's just going to read. So it's actually done. Okay. All right. So as you can see, what is compliance here is the actual finish before actual start. This is also compliant, and what is not compliant is the baseline vertical schedule integration. So as you can see, the baseline vertical schedule integration error, it looks at each summary task and make sure that the next level tasks all roll up. The calculation compares the baseline start and finish date of the summary tasks to those of the lower level detailed tasks. And then missing predecessors. All tasks should have a predecessor, with a few exceptions like starting milestone. The calculation is tasks that are missing predecessors as a percentage of incomplete tasks. So we have a missing successor. Almost every task should have a successor, with a few exceptions. Anyway, so as you can see, what we're just going to do, the only issues with this is this, right? This, and so in doing any of this, though, here we have like 2 tasks that are not compliant. So what we're going to do is, you could either, we're going to highlight it to see. We'll highlight, and then we wait. So as you can see, this is exactly, wow. So you may be wondering, what do I need to do? So for you to know exactly what you need to do, you have to come over here. All right. You come over here and you click on this whistle. Click the whistle for coaching. So you can just click on the whistle to see exactly what you should do. So when you click on the whistle, you see this is exactly what this might mean. So what is this? Most scheduling program allows you to organize tasks in a branch, this and that and that and that. So you're going to look at it, and then after reading this, if you're new to Project Analyzer, you could come here. What do I do next? So you look at, for each summary task that is incorrect, examine the baseline start and the baseline finish date to verify that one or both is incorrect. Check with the scheduler. Are they overwriting the calculated values for this field? If so, that practice should be discontinued. Baseline dates should not be manually modified, and summary tags value should be calculated by the scheduling application. Correct the actual dates that are incorrect. Okay, so this is what should be done for this, so, and then missing predecessors, you can just click on this. We're just going to highlight. So this is it. Anyway, for this, we could just put 19, and I could just use the inspect quickly, because okay, Let's just do this. All right. So this might be solved, but this is not really solved because some of these are automatic and some are manually scheduled. So when you're done sorting out this issue, all you need to do is to come over here and we analyze again, right? So if we analyze again, missing predecessors, hold on. Okay, so site acquisition and form of removal. Let's go back again. So this is exactly what you should do once you're done checking all of this. So missing successor, you can just highlight, and look at it. So they're actually missing successors over here, right? So these are actually the highlighted ones. So you could use this software to check if your schedule is in accordance with best practices, and this could be done with Steelray Analyzer software. So this is actually an overview, and on the next video we'll be looking at how exactly to we're just going to take an example and just look at it. This is just an overview of how you could use it, So do have a nice day and enjoy your week.